Okay, this is him. Yep, there's Sir Lance. Every time I get a cough drop, he always wants it. He's spoiled. Huh, Lance? Nobody's here. I'm just talking to you. So he does it all the time. And this is usually what I do. I spoil him. Now chew it. But I will be uploading more videos soon. This is Rita with Rita McMillan's vlogs. And I'm going to start getting more of him. And after this bedroom gets redecorated, it's going to be awesome once it's done. And show you all. Hopefully you'll subscribe and like my videos. That would help me out perfectly because right now I'm at home. Been sick for a while currently. And then I am going to be looking for another job because I ended up losing my job over this COVID and being sick all the time. So I hope everybody has a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. I'll be recording more soon.